Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to learn about Tata Motors BS6 and BS6 Phase 2 bus engine technology used in Starbus, Ultra, Cityride, and LPO coach series. Tata Motors has completely upgraded its passenger commercial vehicle lineup to meet the latest emission norms while improving fuel efficiency, performance, and driver comfort. Tata BS6 electrical and EMS components. With the transition from BS4 to BS6 technology, Tata commercial vehicles moved from simple mechanical systems to highly advanced electronic engine management systems. Modern BS6 engines use intelligent sensors, controllers, and actuators to reduce emissions, improve fuel efficiency, and ensure precise engine performance. What is EMS? Engine Management System, EMS. Visual, animated ECU connected to sensors and actuators. The Engine Management System, or EMS, is the brain of a BS6 vehicle. It continuously monitors engine conditions using sensors, processes the information inside the ECU, and controls different actuators for accurate fuel injection, turbo control, emissions reduction, and engine protection. Main categories of BS6 electrical components. Visual, 3 sections appearing on screen. Master controllers, input sensors, output actuators. All BS6 electrical components are divided into 3 major categories. Master controllers, input sensors, output actuators. The ECU or ECM is the central processing unit of the engine. It receives signals from all sensors, processes the data, and sends commands to actuators. The ECU controls fuel injection timing, turbocharger operation, EGR flow, cooling fan engagement, emission systems. The Doser Control Unit, or DCU, manages the SCR after-treatment system. It calculates the exact quantity of AdBlue or DEF fluid required to reduce harmful NOx emissions from the exhaust. 1. Crankshaft speed/position sensor. This sensor detects engine RPM and crankshaft position. It helps the ECU identify piston position. 2. Camshaft position sensor. The camshaft sensor provides cylinder synchronization information. It helps the ECU identify which cylinder is on the compression stroke. 3. Rail pressure sensor. This sensor measures fuel pressure inside the common rail system. If pressure becomes abnormal, the ECU activates protection or torque reduction mode. 4. Engine oil pressure sensor. The oil pressure sensor monitors engine lubrication pressure. Low oil pressure warnings help prevent severe engine damage. 5. Coolant temperature sensor, CTS. The coolant temperature sensor monitors engine temperature. The ECU uses this information for cold start fuel correction, cooling fan control, engine overheating protection, air intake and turbo system sensors. 6. TMAP sensor, boost pressure and temperature sensor. The TMAP sensor measures intake air pressure and temperature. This helps the ECU calculate the correct fuel quantity for combustion. 7. Air mass flow sensor/PFM. This sensor measures the exact amount of clean air entering the engine through the intake system. After treatment system sensors. 8. NOx sensors. NOx sensors are located before and after the SCR unit. They measure nitrogen oxide levels in the exhaust gases and ensure proper AdBlue dosing. 9. Differential pressure sensor, DPS. The differential pressure sensor measures pressure difference across the DPF filter. A high pressure difference indicates soot accumulation and triggers DPF regeneration. 10. Exhaust gas temperature sensors. These sensors monitor exhaust temperatures at different points in the ATS system. They help control DPF regeneration, SCR efficiency, exhaust safety temperatures. Section 3. Output actuators. 1. Fuel injectors. Electronic fuel injectors deliver diesel into the combustion chamber with extreme precision and high pressure. 2. IMV/fuel metering unit. The IMV controls fuel quantity entering the high-pressure pump, maintaining proper common rail pressure. 3. Electronic EGR valve. The electronic EGR valve controls the amount of exhaust gas recirculated into the intake manifold to reduce NOx formation. 4. Electronic VGT actuator. Electronic variable geometry turbo actuator adjusts turbo vane position according to engine load and RPM for optimized boost pressure. 5. Urea/AdBlue dosing unit. This electric dosing unit pumps and injects AdBlue fluid into the exhaust stream for NOx reduction. 6. E-viscous fan clutch. The electronically controlled fan clutch operates only when cooling is required, improving fuel efficiency and reducing engine load. 7. Grid heater. The grid heater warms incoming air during cold starts to improve combustion and reduce white smoke. Tata Motors BS6 buses combine better fuel efficiency, lower emissions, advanced electronics, smart connectivity, improved passenger comfort. These technologies make Tata BS6 buses more efficient, environmentally friendly, and fleet-ready for modern transportation. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more automobile